Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Hey there, today on step 2, I'm going to show you how to do a shimmy. Shimmy to the right, shimmy to the left. So we're going to take our shoulders and we're going to shimmy them back and forth as we slide to the side and we slide back to the side. Oftentimes that shimmy, you will see it done with a little slide with your feet, slide with your feet. You can see all kinds of different people do this a lot of different ways. Whatever you do with your shimmy, just have a lot of fun with it. And that's how you do a shimmy. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.